This right here is my first ever plug-welded Damascus ulu. It's got an elk antler handle, bronze peened over riveted pins. I don't know what to call these things, so I just call them posts, handle posts. And those are made out of bronze as well. They're sandblasted and then gun blued. And that's why they have that color, and they should wear in nicely with more use. There should be parts that polish up and parts that stay darker. And also a walnut cutting board for it. So this one kind of came straight out of my head. I was looking at pictures of like more traditional ulus, and the most confusing part for me was how to connect the handle to the blade. It's like very different than any other knife I've ever made. The blade was pretty straightforward, but the whole handle construction was the complex part on this one for me. And I've never seen anything quite like this one. There's some mono post ones, there's some with 2 posts on them, but I've never quite seen this bronze tapering construction before, and I thought it looked really nice. So it's a random pattern. I think it's about 60 layers with this crazy technique called plug welding, which is what these little planetary orb looking things. And you basically drill a bunch of holes into the base pattern, this random pattern, and then you put circular steel rods into those holes and then forge weld them in there. And it creates this really cool effect that almost looks like lily pads floating on a lake. I think that's the crazy part about plug welds, is just how distinct it looks. It's like very different to any other Damascus pattern. Most Damascus patterns are very like fluid and connected and kind of geometric, but this totally makes this crazy effect.